Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my morning green goo. It is actually a drink, which is a smoothie, but I call it green goo because it's more fun. Okay, so it gives me all my nutrients, it gives me fiber I need, and it makes me feel awesome. Okay, we get celery, already washed. Cucumber, about 5-inch long, already washed. Avocado, and about 2 cups of this spinach. You must have a good blender. This is mine. I use Ninja. And then later we're also going to add coconut water so that it is smoother and not quite so thick. Okay, let's get started. Not that complicated at all, but it is kind of a pain in the butt because every day making this takes time. So I make it every other day and it's good for 2 days, for an extra day in the fridge. Go, celery, cucumber. I do not know why I cut off the ends, but I just used to it. Okay, let's see. Now about 2 handfuls of spinach and it will blend. Squish it in a little bit more because it just doesn't grab everything always at once. At this point, it is halfway done because we are going to now transfer everything into a smaller container. Look at this goodness. Can you see awesomeness of this green? Wow. Now that it's blended in this blender, it takes a lot less space. And this blender, this portion of the blender does not let me make it into a smoothie. So that is why I do it in 2 steps. Here we go. You see this? Delicious. This is delicious. Now, if you want to make it sweeter, you can add an apple to it or a mango. It is a very good idea when you are not used to having it without sweetener. But don't add any actual sweetener. Add an apple. And it is done. I usually put it into the freezer for the first 15 minutes or so that it is nice and cold. Look at the consistency. Pretty good, just needs to be slightly colder. Okay, if you like this video, comment, like it, subscribe to my channel to get more of nutritious goodness and other healthy wellness things. Okay, love you. Bye. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.